Hello everybody, and today we're playing some Goodbye Cute Girl Part 5, I think. Well, guys, one message to everybody that plays FFA a lot. If you team in it, please stop teaming. I mean, Just I, well, that was like a little bit of a shout out. Like, Just I doesn't really like teaming in FFA. FFA technically actually means free for all. So please actually just don't team inside of FFA. Also, area closers. They should have gotten more respect. Just let the area closers kill you. Because, like, that's actually what they're supposed to do. Come on, people. They close the areas. It's, like, really fun to watch. You know, inside of, like, Goodbye 2, like, it will just say area closed. And then, like, you would literally actually have, like, no. Oh my gosh. Someone stop it. I can shoot. Never mind. I'm not going to shoot you. Yeah, so, like, what you guys should do is, like, someone go away. It's like, so, like, if you find any teamers inside of FFA, just switch servers, okay? That's all we gotta do, okay? Just switch servers if you find any teamers in FFA. This is getting really annoying when everybody kills me. And, I mean, like, who kills, like, somebody right when they spawn? Like, I don't like those type of people. Like, oh, I'm gonna kill you right when you spawn. It's like, literally, well, I did that, like, 3 times anyways, but, like, still, people, just don't, like, be like the meanest person that plays Goodbye in the world, okay? So, I'm gonna make you, like, look like, never mind. I won't talk about it. Let's just play the game, okay? Too bad. I want to go to the middle. I mean, like, literally. The done. Team pools. I'm like, it's really hard to actually get into the top 10. It's like, you have to be level 45 to be in the top 10. I wanted bullet damage. Are you kidding me? Guys, bullet penetration is actually pretty important too. It makes it so, like, your bullets cannot be, like, so your bullets aren't just, like, shot away, like you're the destroyer, like, your bullet was just shot away. Oh my gosh, just like, I want pentagons. It was easy. was also really fun. So sad. Is he even gonna upgrade? Literally. Yep, he's gonna upgrade. I thought that guy was literally AFK. I mean, I don't like AFK people. If you're watching this video and you like AFK people, let's just not say anymore. I think I found that dude that was kind of AFK-like. That all I had to do was, like, try to get him to die with his pellets. Yeah, his pellets. You're gonna kill me. Because, yeah, pellets. Little pellets, yeah, you know, strong little pellets. Like, literally, guys, who likes being whacked by a pellet, like, in the middle of the night? Well, I don't know anybody that does. Is it gonna have on auto fire the whole entire time? Because not having on auto fire annoys me. Because I have to hold down the button. You know, like the button that you, like, fire with? Like, I have to hold it down all the time. It's so annoying. Oh, not the mini pellets again, people. I have to bring the mini pellets. I like mini pellets. They annoy me. Oh my gosh. Where are those mini pellets coming from? Oh my gosh, I'm close to the guy with mini pellets. I'm just gonna try not to die when I can. Am I that stupid? No, I'm not that stupid, people. I know, I actually know that I can just do this. Never mind, somebody's under it. That doesn't go very well when somebody's under it and you're being whacked by pellets. Probably the guy with the pellets, I'm guessing. And if the guy with the pellets is up here too, it's gonna be annoying. Why are there stupid crashers here? Crashers, it's not your job. Crashers! What? Hold on, here's the Pentagon. 911 police. I'm scared of you. Are you a police? What was I doing? What was I doing? Oh, right, I have on auto. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it! Oh my gosh. People these days won't even let a little baby, Blinker live. Well, who even likes the police? Well, I like the police, I know that. Well, I meant, like, the 911 police guy, you know, like the guy that was playing Dip By that just kills everybody. That guy, he's really impaired. Oh, it's probably like my big sister playing downstairs. Now she plays, like, once in a while. And she always goes sniper because it has longer range. You can see people that are actually attacking you. Pretty much why she actually chooses it. Chooses it. I don't think, that's not English, everybody. Don't listen to my English. This is the best English. What am I doing? I need the flame card. Flame card makes it fun. Flame card is literally so fun. I also love the triangle. Cause, what, is there one that, like, double flame card? I don't like those. I really don't like the double flame card. It's, like, annoys me a lot. Dude, it's just like, I fired my little pellets like they were semi-machine gun dart. Hey! Nope. Leave me alone. Leave. I'm getting out of here. Yeah, I actually like that dude, even though he just murdered me. No. Are you kidding me? I'm not even inside of the top 10. I would be so close right now. I'm so close to the top 10. What's wrong? Now that's how you get into the top 10 people. What? Is this like easy? Guys, that's actually how I get into the top 10. Not the done. I hate that guy. Person. Like, really annoys me. The done is annoying. Make the great. I'm coming for you. Like an easy kill. Let's go around so. 911 police. Oh, no. No way. 911 police is higher than me. No, this cannot be true. I don't want this to be happening. I'd like, 911 police annoys me. Hold on a second. My dogs don't even come out of my nose. Oh, yes, look at it. They just start, like, right up there. It's so weird. How weird is that? Like, literal people. Hey, Granny. Hey, you want to play Granny with me? It's the funnest game in the world. That's Grunts. Oops. Jeez. Shrink, you piece of crap. That's what people do to do this. It's not a good idea, people. Don't do this, okay? I want to be inside the link. Whatever it's called. How much max health can you actually get as a smasher? No, not. Is it Mummy S 911 police? Nope, it's not 911 police. That's sad. I was hoping it would be 911 police because I actually kind of like him. I don't have a boyfriend. Leave me alone! There's somebody that has like some weird stuff on him. No, I wanted more. Aww. So bad I have good luck. My finger hurts. Okay, guys, so like I'll leave off the episode right here, and like I hope you had some fun watching this. How not to play this game? Not this guy. Of course, the weirdo is back. The 911 police guy. I don't like him. He's annoying. Hey, 911 police, do you like pentagons? There you go, I just ate one. Never mind, you ate it. One of the pentagon. I'm gonna eat this pentagon. Oops. Of course, 911 police. How annoying is this guy? Like, do you know anybody else that's annoying in type of games? Well, I know like 30,000 people. Number one, 911 police. Yeah, I hate his name. He's probably calling 911 on me, like, right now. Just kidding, probably not do that. Like, 911 is for, police. Like, literally, guys, who plays like this? Like, I'm just gonna play with only my mouse, because it's easier. I'm just gonna do, like,